Ready to unlock the secret to building awesome layouts in Notion? It all starts with blocks. Think of blocks as the Lego bricks of Notion, the fundamental building blocks you'll use to structure everything to create one. Simply click anywhere on your page, you'll see a blinking cursor appear and a plus sign to the left. This indicates where a block can be created. Click that plus sign and boom, you'll see a menu pop up with all the different types of blocks you can create. Notice all the possibilities: basic text, headings to organize your thoughts, to-do lists to stay on track, bullet points to create outlines, or numbered lists for step-by-step guides. Let's start with a simple text block. Select text from the menu. Now you have a basic text block ready for your ideas. Go ahead and start typing anything. Type something like my first block. See how easy that was? You've just created your first block. Now, for a quicker way to create blocks, type a /. This brings up the same menu, allowing you to quickly select the type of block you want to add. Try typing heading to and pressing enter. You have instantly created a heading to block. Type a title for this section of the page. The possibilities of Notion blocks are endless. So there you have it. Creating blocks in Notion is the first step to crafting beautiful and powerful pages. Use blocks to organize your thoughts, build databases, track tasks, and so much more. Experiment, play around, and see what you can create.